Meanwhile, Mayor of Spanish Town Norman Scott raised concern about the absence of adequate signage along the Bog Walk Gorge. He also lamented that the roadway isn't properly lit.
Those are some of the factors that contribute to the long-standing issue. But I also want to call on the drivers, motorists traversing the Gorge.
Yeah.
The Gorge is a dangerous place. And so we ask that all the road users, the motorists using the Gorge, proceed with caution.
Now, Mr. Scott also responded to the issue raised by divers about a lack of remuneration for their efforts.
We have had several meetings with them.
Yes.
We have compensated them. We have awarded them. But the issue of permanently employing the drivers, we could not take on that responsibility as a municipality. I think that some time ago, a presentation was made. I'm not sure. It's been such an ongoing thing that I need to go and do some research as to what were the equipment that were handed to them and how long ago, and where are those equipment today.
The government